All right, let's see what this thing about. We finna unbox it right now. Let me see here. Oh, come on now. Oh, there we go. The Hibbin 3 Fighter. There goes the Sliff, or the Sleeve, or whatever you want to call it. The sleeve. Hibbin 3. It's pretty nice. I like that. It's pretty nice. Okay. Uh-oh. Got the Redwoods handle. The Redwoods handle. Let me see how I get this out of here. Okay. Let's see here. Oh man, this is nice. Oh boy. Woo-wee! That boy's nice. That's perfect. That is perfect, man. It ain't heavy. It ain't too heavy. Hibbins 3. I don't know if you can read that. Yeah, that's nice. Wow. That is nice. That is good quality. That's a quality knife right there. Wow, this is perfect. It's not that heavy. Oh my God, this is perfect. There you go, y'all. The Hibbins 3 unboxed.